level. Let me get the square. Let me get the square. Got that, guys? Square. Me! Ryan! Yes! We're doing it, guys. We're still on it. Yeah, man. Give the video a thumbs up. Give the work a thumbs up. We're doing well. So, I'm finishing the third row. Then I'm going to jump into fourth. And that will be it. We'll have it dry for a couple of days before we start sorting out the casting for the countertop. Hello, welcome back. Greetings to you. So, coming from the hardware, went to get some items. Campfire Fusion is going to take on a task for the first time. Yeah, I will be making I'll be doing more than one thing. Making kitchen counter. Doing some work at one of my subscribers. Yeah, so stay tuned for that, guys. We're now taking out some of the blocks and some of the items from out the vehicle. I have my tools here. We're gonna start to work shortly. So we came by Henry, and Henry assisted us with some gravel and little sand. Can start out for the counter, which is very impressive. Yeah, come check Henry, man. So big up Henry as usual. Ever there for you, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, man. So be there upon it, guys. Hey, start work. Take out the counter already. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. Yes. Here, me and Sam in our place with the eye, you know. And it's over the on it. Let me turn the camera now. So we took out the old counter. Yes. Old counter. Gone. So this is how I line it up, guys. I'm not a professional, so I rest the block, the half a block, put it out, drop them in, right? As you know, we're gonna put the 3/8 steel inside the holes. So what I do, get my pencil and I just mark on the outside. One place. 2, 3, and then I remove them and get my heel tip and bore the holes. Try to get it as center as possible. That I want some more holes. Just get the steel, get my arm, and tuck them in. And just like that, I'm a professional. But I'll continue with the work, guys. Give the video a thumbs up. Let's continue with the work. Yeah. Cement. 4 and 4. 8 of them left. So I'm going to put 8 of them. So right now, I'm going to prepare 2 mixtures. One to lay the block, and one to fill the block pocket. With the 4-inch block, I get to understand that I need to be filling the block pockets while I'm going up. So I'm just going to prepare that. Just going to mix half of this first. Not all of it at once. My first time, so I'm going to do it slow. So if I make a mistake, I can correct it easily. Laying my first block. Take half a block now. Talk about level and square. I know this is a square. And guys, that is square. That is square. That is square. I hear someone in the comment section say, Ryan, check the level. Okay. Cameraman, come and show them for me, please. There's a level bubble. Guys, tell me if you can see the level bubble. Look at the level bubble. The bubble is saying it's level. Okay. Good job by me so far. So I'm going to go over the next side. Meanwhile, the square. As a matter of fact, you know what? I'm going to do the mixture after I go over this side for them. Stand by, guys. concrete. Now 4-inch block. I am so proud of myself. So proud of myself. Level. Let me get the square. Let me get the square. Got that, guys? Square. Me! Ryan! Yes! We're doing it, guys. We're still on it. Yeah, man. Give the video a thumbs up. Give the work a thumbs up. We're doing well. So, I'm finishing the 3rd row. Then I'm going to jump in the 4th. And that will be it. We'll have it dry for a couple days before we start sorting out the casting for the countertop. The leftovers, I'm going to fill out these areas with it. The gaps, and that will be it for today, guys. So it has been a good day's work. I'm really proud of the work that was put in. You know, the experience is good, and as I've always said, a lot of things you can do it yourself. Yeah, man, just put the effort in there, do your research, right, and it will come out even better than even some professionals would have done it for you. So put the comment section, let me know what you think. And thanks if you have come so far with the video, right? I really appreciate. So, until the next part, Ryan from Campfire Fusion saying, if the material is that expensive, makes sense, you try to spend the money and do it for yourself. See you in the next one, guys. From here is where we took the counter, the sink. Yeah. So, yeah, go on. You know, we don't have a trade, but we have common sense. Just that alone we need. Common sense and spend with energy the right way. So, I'll continue with the task.